Hello and welcome to another trades and tutorials video. This is Jeff Bish, president of MarketGauge.com. And if you're just finding us on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel and also know that you should go to MarketGauge.com/tutorials where you'll find all kinds of additional free resources for your trading. Now, if you are already on Trades and Tutorials and you've just stumbled on that on the MarketGauge.com site, make sure that you check out the navigation above. As I just said, there's tons of other information that'll help make your trading easier and more profitable here on this area of the site, and it's all completely free. One last piece of housekeeping. If you're not already aware, you can make this video HD really easily. All you have to do is use the settings that's down probably right around here where you click on that little gear. It'll give you the option to change it to HD and the clarity will be much better. I think you'll like it. So let's get started with today's video. So first, solar. Now in recent videos, I've shown you how the opening range and some patterns in the 5-minute charts really make spotting bottoms and tracking trends really easy to do, and First Solar was a great example of that today. And not only that, First Solar is a great looking stock to keep your eyes on going forward for tomorrow. So I'm going to show you what to look at from the action today and what you should look at going forward. So the reason I'm saying it looks great going forward is we've got a really nice consolidation that it's breaking out of. That said, First Solar has had a tendency to kind of poke its head up and then retrace back. So I've been more inclined recently to try and buy it on the pullbacks rather than chase it higher. And so there's a couple areas that I would focus on to buy it on the pullback, whether you're a day trader looking to catch a nice big move like we got today off of the low, or you're a swing trader looking to get a better entry on a position. So let's take a look at today. Today, we're looking at a 5-minute chart here, and I'm going to focus on the first 30-minute opening range. And the reason I'm focusing on the first 30-minute opening range is because, right about now, there's an opportunity to buy the AM Trader course, which will teach you how to do exactly this and a whole bunch of other stuff. And that is to buy at a situation where you can put your stop at the low of the day, and it's a good stop because it also lines up with the opening range low, and in this case lines up with another key reference point that I'll get to in a second. Also, if you saw the last video, this should really resonate with you. Again, this is a really simple way to see when the trend is changes. Check out these 5-minute bars and check out when we finally take out the high of the last 5-minute bar right here. And we actually close above it, but do we follow through to the upside? No, right? So we're not all eager yet, and then we move down, move down, move down. Here we go, we do it again. We trade over the last 5-minute bar, and then we also follow through. And once we do that, as you know from prior videos, or if you watch the recent webinar, I'm not sure if we're going to have a recording, but if we do, I will let you know. And once we got above that, then we come back up to this opening range level, right? And what do we get here? We got another great reversal bar right at that opening range level. And as we taught in the webinar, this is a good indication that we're back into the opening range and we're looking for first target to be up here. And then in this case, we're focused on First Solar because it's got that daily pattern that I just showed you about. So now again, take a look at the first time that it actually closes below the low of the prior bar right here. So even if you use that simple method, the same one I showed you in MasterCard yesterday, you would have locked in almost a dollar. Actually, you could have locked in a dollar if you got in through the opening range in about 2 hours. Not so bad. And if you're in down here and you had your stop below the low of the day, you just made twice your risk and take out some. If you like it as a swing trade, now you're going home with a profit, and that's what it's all about. All right, so going forward, what do we want to look for in First Solar tomorrow? Well, check this out. So first of all, the key points, if you were in the webinar, you should be focused on this level, right here from today. Not bad. I mean, missed by 10 cents. And I don't know if I'll go to it or not, but go check out Apple with that secret support level that I talked about in the webinar. You're going to see it lines up really nicely as the low of the day today. So tomorrow, you want to take a look at First Solar, especially if you puts in a 30-minute opening range right around this level, and a 30-minute opening range reversal right around this level. Those would be two great areas to have in your stop, two great areas to look for the reversal to get the kind of trade that we've seen there in the last couple days. All right. So hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next video. As always, if you've got any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll do my best to get back to you.